Okay, woo! Looking at this one, we have the left side here and the right side. Seeing how the right side's a fraction, I'm going to probably look at it. And I got them as sine and cosine. I see this 1 minus, so what comes to my mind is this. Remember about factoring, if you have a plus the quantity a plus b squared, it equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And if you have a minus b, it's the same thing except for the middle term is negative a 2ab. But here's the real key. If I have an a plus b times an a minus b, you get a squared minus what? B squared. So let's look at this here. I have a 1 minus sine x. I think I'm going to look at this here. See that right there? That's like that part right there, the 1 minus sine x. So guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to multiply it times a 1 plus sine x. And if I do it to the denominator, I do it to the numerator. And you're going, why did I think of that? Well, because I couldn't think of anything else to do. So I was trying to think, how can I maybe make that into a Pythagorean maybe I could use? So as I do that, cosine times 1 is cosine, and cosine times sine will be cosine sine x. And this will become basically 1 squared, which is 1 minus sine squared. All right, now, what is 1 minus sine squared equal to? It's cosine squared. Now then, I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to split it. Looking at this right here, cosine x over cosine squared, cosine x sine x over cosine squared. Notice I can cancel out some what? Cosines. I can cancel out the one on top and one of the two on the bottom, not both, giving me 1 plus cosine x plus sine x over cosine x. And I think we can see it from here, because what is 1 over cosine x? Well, that's going to be secant, and sine over cosine will be what? Tangent, which is what we are looking for. Sometimes it's easier to start with the right side than the left. And if you see something like a 1 minus without a squared or a 1 plus a squared, you might need to multiply what I call the FOIL term, where you get rid of the middle term. And that was that a squared minus b squared type of a problem.